Students complete these number lines with the help of given clue in this activity. This is basically designed for grade 1 students, but grade 2 students can use it for accelerated instruction. Each card has a number line with points placed at equal intervals, and one number is given. So if this is 117, I need to go find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The ninth place is 117. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This ninth place, this is 117. This would be 118 and 119, 116, 115, 114, 113, 112, 111, 110, and 109. Let's pick another card. Sorry, card number 9. Card number 11. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth place is 78. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth place is 78. 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 77, 76, 75, and 74. Let's pick card number 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seventh place is 111. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seventh place is 111. 112, 113, 114, 115, 110, 109, 108, 107, 106, 105. This is given. Directions help students work on this activity independently. Teacher exemplar sets expectations. Here, this is a number given, underlined. And here are the answers that provide immediate feedback.